All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Stylize filter. So let's click on sharpen filter.psd. So if you don't have that open, I'm going to close that out. Let's go to 08. Where are you? Oh, here we go. Sharpen filter. Okay. I already have the image in there, so I'm going to do File, Save As. Okay, and let's do 09. We'll do Stylize Filter. Okay, and then I'm going to go to Filter. We're going to go to Stylize and Diffuse. Okay, so now you can see when I just do normal mode, that's how it's going to look. If I do dark only, darken only, lighten only, and that looks really cool because just with this terrain, it looks cool with that effect. Okay. It looks really cool on the rocks. With the people, it's kind of messed up, but again, we're just adding filters. This is a fun thing, so it's all good. So let's do filter, stylize, emboss, and we can adjust the height. We can adjust the amount. Okay, I'm gonna hit cancel. Let's undo this effect, and then we'll add that effect. So let's do emboss, and then it changes the color so you can see kind of what it's doing here. Very cool. All right, save that. Let's do filter and then do extrude. So here we can do blocks or pyramids. We can do size. So we can use the up arrow, do the depth, go up with that. I don't see a lot. As I said, I don't see a lot of difference. Then it renders the effect and I stop talking. Control Z, and then let's go to filter and let's do stylize, find edges. That's cool. Okay, let's do filter, stylize, oil paint. We can turn this down. That way you can tell what the image is, but it still looks cool, you know? I do like that effect. That's cool. All right, I'll hit Control Z. Then let's do filter, stylize, solarize. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I like how this adjusts the clouds. You know, let's undo that. So you can see here the clouds are blue here, and then if I do Control, what is it? Shift Control Z to redo it. Then it kind of darkens the clouds. It makes it kind of look cool. The rest of the effect is okay, but let's hit Control Z to undo that. Then we're going to do filter, stylize, tiles. Okay. Okay, so we can kind of up this a little bit. I don't see anything right now, but as soon as I hit OK, it'll probably add the effect. And then I'll be silent. No. In this case, it didn't do anything really, which is okay. Let's do filter, stylize, trace, contour. Whoa. Turn that down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's turn it up then. Yeah, either way, it doesn't matter. It's going to look kind of weird. I'm going to cancel on that. Let's do filter, stylize, wind. And that's going to, we can do blast, stagger. You know, it's kind of funny because they're in the desert. But I'm here all week. I used to live in the desert, and they have a lot of windstorms. So it's kind of a perfect effect for this image. But yeah, you can see that's the wind effect for the Stylize filter. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.